Let's get your Rogers Ignite Gateway connected. First, unpack your gateway and make sure you have all the necessary cables. Connect the coaxial cable to the cable in port on the gateway and then to the wall outlet. If you want a wired connection for a computer or gaming console, use the Ethernet cable and plug it into one of the Ethernet ports on the gateway. Finally, connect the power cable to the gateway and plug it into a standard wall outlet. The gateway should power on automatically. Now that the gateway is physically connected, it's time to activate your service and set up your Wi-Fi. Download the Rogers Ignite app on your smartphone or tablet, available for both iOS and Android. Open the app and follow the prompts to log in with your Rogers account details. The app will guide you through the activation process, which typically involves scanning a QR code on the gateway. Once activated, you can configure your Wi-Fi settings directly within the app. Choose a network name and a strong password. Rogers Ignite gateways now default to WPA3 encryption for enhanced security, so make sure your devices are compatible. Place the gateway in a central location for the best Wi-Fi coverage. You can also use the app to set up a guest network, manage parental controls, and troubleshoot common issues. For optimal Wi-Fi, consider Rogers Ignite pods to create a mesh network for more square footage.